Hey everybody, welcome to day 3 of 30-day challenge, building our morning ritual. Today I'm going to talk about practicing gratitude. So it's really important to take a couple minutes each day to practice gratitude. It's one of the most powerful habits you can build, and it will help you with your mindset shift, and that in change will change your life. You want to take a couple minutes each day and list a few things that you're grateful for. And you really want to let yourself feel the gratitude, let it sink in, really appreciate what you're grateful for. And I know this can be really difficult if you're struggling in life and you're stressed out or depressed, but it's even more important to do this then. It will help you come out of that depression, get yourself out of that dark place. And even if you're just grateful to be alive, write it down and let yourself feel the gratitude of being alive for another day. Think of all the people who would give anything to get to live another day. Few examples. I am very grateful for my loved ones. I'm grateful to be alive another day and the opportunity it gives me to get to improve my life, to learn and grow and love. I am extremely grateful for the internet and all the opportunity it provides for learning and growing and building a business. So make sure you're practicing gratitude every day, and let me know in the comments something that you're grateful for. And please like and subscribe to get more videos like this.